The hits of summer trading just keep on a-coming. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Wednesday, August the 18th, and another wild one here in summer trade. Again, it's those wild swings that push markets up and down for no reason at all. And of course, this first part will be brought to you by our brand new sponsor at swpcayman.com/Bubba Trading, Bubba/Trading. They are our new physical metals partner, and they will be able to assist you on all your needs. That's swpcayman.com/Bubba/Trading. In the meantime, the markets are all over the place. I mean, you take a look and you've got the Dow futures are now lower. They were down over 100. They've come back to down 27. The S&P is now plus on the day from being negative about 10, 11 points. The NASDAQ is now about almost up 30 from being down about 40. So you can see the consistency of these wild swings on no volume, on no action, on basically no interest. But that's what we have. And that's the market that we're going to trade. We are still long those three. And of course, the Russell is down, actually just turned unchanged. And we are still short the Russell. As we take a look at the metals, gold is dead flat. And after failing yesterday's rally to break it out, we'll see. Again, it's at a key number that will either break to the upside or will fail and possibly test the lows. In the meantime, it is dead flat right now. And of course, silver is a little bit lower. We're still short. And platinum, which we don't trade anymore, we would actually have reversed again to the short side as it breaks back below that 1,000 barrier. And as we look at the dollar is lower today, but it has had a pretty nice rally, taking it up towards its recent highs. So you expect to see a little bit of a pullback. And we are still long dollars, of course. Crude is now up after being, up and down. And this is the interesting part of the crude market. It likes to whip. This is like all the rest of the market. It's whipping all over the place. You've got copper, which we reversed to the short side today, down about almost a nickel. Nat gas is slightly lower. We're still long. And the bonds and notes are slightly lower again, but they could be anywhere. By the time you see this, they could be anywhere. It is hard to gauge because of the real lack of activity in this market and how thin they actually are. This is summer trading, which does create some potential grief because of the speed at which these markets move. As we move over to the grain markets, corn is higher, we're long. Beans are lower slightly. They're both nearly unchanged. I mean, let's call them unchanged. We're still long. Wheat is having a little bit of recovery from yesterday's beatdown and is up about a nickel. In the protein complex, you've got feeder cattle, which is higher. Okay, we are long. You've got fat cattle, which is higher, which we are long. And you've got hogs are lower, which we are short. So, again, but it's nothing to get overly excited about. This is, again, the summertime trade, which is, really nothing that is major because, of course, there is no real follow-through one way or the other with these big whippy swings. Cotton is lower, we're long. Coffee is higher, we're long. Actually, we're long all the soft, so I don't have to repeat that over and over again here. Sugar is higher, cocoa is higher, and OJ is lower. So it's another mixed picture right here. Again, really, I go back to the same thing I started with. It's just summer trade. This is a very challenging time for traders to be actively involved. You have to be very cautious in here and make sure if you're trying to day trade that your stops are in place once you place your trade. In the meantime, don't forget about our brokerage partners. We do have other brokers, but our preference for commodities and futures is the CTG Group or Capital Trading Group. And of course, it's a very simple reason. I mean, they get great customer service. The only ones I've authorized for our letter of direction trading because they do such a good job with it. They trade all my accounts. They've got some great managed futures product and a couple of brand new hedge products. And of course, they've got great service. So why not check them out? info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. That's info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. And of course, don't forget about our other equities and options broker, which is Tradier. And again, it's $10 a month. That's the key number. That should be a number that you should never be paying more, okay, than a flat 10 for equities and options. They've got great service. Plus, we have their APIs, which allows us, if you want. Now, you don't have to automate. If you want to automate, you have the opportunity from our equity portfolios at no cost to you. Okay, it is part of your membership when you signed up. Okay, so you can have that done through Trader because we've got their APIs, and okay, you can also sign up to your hedge if you're hedging with us. Okay, but that's a separate fee because of course the hedging was a class. Our great partnership with Family Farms, and I'll have some more information next week for them. But listen, they're a great partner. They have the same interest line with us in taking care of the farmers. And our commodity report written by Andy Hecht, as I tell you every day, if you're trading commodities and you're not reading this report, you should go see a doctor because it is by far the best and most comprehensive commodity report there is, including putting our algorithms in it. So you can check that out at BUBBATrading.com. And of course, our high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. In the meantime, have a great day, everybody. We'll see you back here again tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you.